Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to analyze four stocks and Nifty and Banknifty of course. Okay, so today Nifty was up 0.49%, Banknifty 0.58%, Sensex 0.52%. So we can say that it was a good day today. Not extremely bullish, neither bearish, but it was a neutral good day. Can probably say that. And we saw some good recovery in both of them if we compare them to the past sessions. Okay, past week. All right, so let's start this with Birlasoft. So I'm on a daily time frame of Birlasoft India, and these four stocks that I've shortlisted have a very good long build up. That's the main reason behind it, the main reason for choosing them. Starting with Birlasoft. Actually, I gave Birlasoft in the past sessions as well. Once the trend line is broken, you can enter, and if you would have entered, or else you would have entered, then you must be in profit as of now. But if some of you have missed, then again it's a good opportunity for you. So you see this 517.40 level. It was an extreme strong resistance which was broken a few days back, and again it is testing resistance and will retest this 517.40. Okay, so you can add some stock, sorry, you can add some more quantity, or you can enter this stock once it takes retest and gives a U-turn, there's a pullback on the upside. All right, so like this, if there's some, okay, and again then you can enter the stock. You can take this target of 575, that amounts to almost 7%. Not a bad target. The 7% target can be achieved. Okay, so the entry point would be for you would be, once let this retest here. Just take a path to show it clearly. Currently it is here. Let it retest and give a closing above this high, then you can enter the stock. Alright, so the entry point would be this level 538 and 575.850 target. Alright, those are very simple and clear trade. Next is Aurobindo Pharma. Again, we see Aurobindo Pharma on a daily time frame, and you see this zone right over here that was acting as a strong support in the past sessions for many times, for many sessions actually. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so and even in the previous session we saw a huge fall, and currently it is recovering, or it is in a recovery phase, and we see a, like, not an exactly like the V shape, but yes, kind of a V shape pattern, and it is eventually going up. All right, so the point would be for us to enter is when it breaches this 200-day moving average, because 200-day moving average acts as a strong support or resistance. Okay, if it is below, then it will act as a resistance above, and vice versa. Alright, so once this pattern is made, once the stock goes up eventually, then you can take an entry over here at this point. You can expect it to give you a return of more than 21%. That is a very good return. And of course, this won't be achieved in one single day, so you need to wait for it, like maybe for a month actually. Okay, maximum a month. And you can definitely achieve this target 966.25 a month or two, alright. So it can be guaranteed, but yeah, the target is this 966.25, and above this 200-day moving average once this is broken, because it acts as a strong resistance and support. Next is Aditya Birla Fashion, ABFRL. So ABFRL, again we saw a very good long build up in this. That's why I've shortlisted this one. And again, it is on a 200-day moving average. Like I said, it acts as a very strong support and resistance. So it is currently acting as a support. So the good point would be on the positive side, then you can enter the stock, you can enter this trade, you can enter the stock, you can buy the stock, and you can hold it till 309.55. So this target amounts to almost 12%. Not a bad target. You can achieve the, you can take this trade. All right, so definitely look for it. Add Aditya Birla Fashion to your watch list, and you can definitely take it as a swing trade. All right, next is Adani Enterprises. So you see Adani Enterprises, it is in a zone. Again, I'm on an hourly time frame now. there's a zone, there's a continuous zone. Okay, just draw a path to make sure you see it clearly. Alright, simply, okay, instead of path, just convert it into line. You see this ranges, this range. Alright, so as of now, you should wait and let the two entry points actually here. So you see this, take this. Okay, a resistance here, again a pullback here. So this point is your again an entry point. If by any chance it reaches 1660, these levels, then you can definitely add this stock to your portfolio, to your watch list. Okay, if you're just trade. And second point that you should be noticing is this 200 moving average, how it will actually work. If this 200 moving average continues to go like this, and if it somewhere, as an example, comes right over here, then you can add some stocks or you can add some quantity at this 200 moving average as well. Alright, so this is your one entry point. And the first target, if you buy right at this zone, would be this resistance of 1789.30. And if you want to hold it for a more further long period, then you can wait until 1789.30 is broken, then 1852 is your last target. Alright, so the target from this 200 moving average, as an example from here, amounts to almost 10%. And from, if you're waiting and if it breaches this, because I've seen a good long build up, so that's why I've suggested this, and this amounts to almost 3 to 4%. So you can take this or even as an intraday trade if you find it over here, because there's a chance of breakout on after breaching 1789.30 with good buying volume, of course. All right, moving to Bank Nifty, which is liked by everyone. So coming to Bank Nifty, of course. So I'm again on an early time frame of Bank Nifty, and we witnessed good. Not, I wouldn't recommend or I wouldn't say bearishness as a good signal. So, but yeah, we saw a good bearish. Okay, I'm sorry. We witnessed bearishness, and alright, so currently market is now recovering. So the zone acted as a very good support, and currently it is facing a 50-day moving average resistance. Alright, so it is on a negligible basis. So the point to enter would be, I have just added here a timer, but this timer doesn't mean that I should, after breaching the timer, I would definitely enter. I'll wait until this Bank Nifty breaches this 35,697 to 35,730 levels, this zone actually, and I would take position or I would trade once it is above these levels. And I would keep a simple target of this 200-day moving average. Alright, again I'm on an hourly time frame, so yeah, it depends. Okay, so but for me, this 200-day moving average, with giving it some respect, and because I know that this 200-day moving average is a strong resistance for any index, or you can say the stock as well. All right, so respecting it, I will keep this 200-day moving average on an hourly time frame as my target resistance. All right, so and the entry point for me would be this. I'll wait for now. I'll wait for it for Bank Nifty to breach this, and then only I will enter. Alright, so next coming to Nifty, again I'm an hourly time frame. I have marks of support and resistance zones, and for me the entry point would be again above this zone. That's pretty clear, and this is a very small target, I would say, not a small. Let me just check. Okay, 60 points. Okay, not a small target, a good target. Okay, so there's a possibility that Nifty may take a resistance, may face some resistance at this 200 moving average, like we saw here. Okay, so yeah, respecting it, what it did in the future, we should definitely look for this as well. Alright, so again, if it breaches this 200 moving average, then 730, 17,300, 350 is again a strong resistance. So yeah, so you can definitely watch these levels if you're trading in the coming sessions. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching the video till here, and in case you have any suggestions or recommendations, or you would expect some other topics to be covered, then you can definitely mention that in the comment section below. And if anybody of you is interested to learn more about trading strategies and new patterns, and how to identify breakouts, and how do we correlate time and price in this chart, then there would be a link below, or you can find my number down there. That is 820-888-3356. You can contact me there for the course details that we have uniquely designed that would go on for 1 month and would definitely be helpful for you. Alright guys, so thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.